Hi, I'm Missy Huff with Haynes Huff Properties. I'm in beautiful, sunny Mountlake Terrace today. We're getting a house ready for the market. Great house, has every room you could ever need right here in Mountlake Terrace, Edmonds School District. I ponder as I'm getting this ready, and I think, where is downtown Mountlake Terrace? Hi, how are you?
Good.
Well, I'm in Mountlake Terrace today listing another home in this great community.
Yeah.
And the question we have today is, where is downtown Mountlake Terrace?
You're looking at it.
At Double D Meats.
Double D Meats.
Love it.
We are the oldest business in this town. We have been here 70 years. So yeah.
That is great.
We are considered a destination point. So a lot of people know about us. They come from everywhere around the country. We're known for our hot sauces, barbecue sauces, and our 60 feet of fresh meat cakes.
How are you doing today?
Good. What can I help you with?
Well, we're listing a house in Mountlake Terrace, and we're trying to figure out, where is downtown Mountlake Terrace?
Well, we consider it right here.
Right here at Ace.
Right here at Ace.
Hey, how's it going?
Going great. So I have a question today.
Sure.
Where is downtown Mountlake Terrace?
Right here at Cinnabar.
I am still researching where is downtown Mountlake Terrace. In the meantime, come on in and take a look at this wonderful house on the market in Mountlake Terrace. And I heard we have a person of authority coming to tell us where is downtown Mountlake Terrace. Now that you've seen this spectacular home, I have our person of authority. This is Kyoko Wright, the mayor of Mountlake Terrace, and she is going to tell us exactly where is downtown Mountlake Terrace.
Downtown Mountlake Terrace is on the corner of 232nd and 56.
We now know where downtown Mountlake Terrace is. So if you're looking for a home, well, Mint Grove, 33 home community built around a public park in Mountlake Terrace, or any home in the Puget Sound, give us a call.